Hi everyone. Now, if you follow me on my Instagram, you would have seen on my stories that I've moved. New flat, here it is. And a new pad can only mean one thing: a massive Ikea shop. To begin with this haul because I love it all so much, but maybe with this bargain buy, this doormat, spotted that by the tills, £1. I mean, come on. And I also purchased this rug, which is so nice, and it was a bargain at only £17. It's the cheapest rug by far that I've seen, and I really like the neutral colours, so I love it. Picked up this cushion, so you buy the cushion cover and the inner separately, but still an absolute steal. Also this storage tray, which I'm going to use for all of my makeup, and divide it into sections, so that's going to be fun, a lot of organising. Purchased a little flannel because it was dead cute. These tea towels to make washing up a little bit easier. Now my plant obsession continues. I picked up this one, which I'm in love with. Bought the wicker pot separately. That one's a real plant, and I thought I would get this one, a fake one, as a backup in case the real one dies. And then I also got this cute little cactus plant because I just couldn't resist. Toilet brush, not glam, still necessary. And I've got this really nice light that we haven't put together yet because we also bought a lamp which we're struggling to put together at the moment. Picked up these bargain little plate and bowls. Don't know if I'll use them for food or just sort of decorative pieces around the house really. This storage solution, went crazy on the storage. But I thought these might be quite nice for underwear, sports bras and that kind of thing inside the wardrobe. And then we've got these huge storage boxes with this kind of bamboo detailing, and they were £7 each. But we've already got an Ikea cabinet, so they'll fit perfectly in there.